I am grateful to my friend, director of the International Academy of Indian Culture, to have asked me to lay the foundation stone of the Academy's building and to inaugurate the function. I associate myself with both of these functions with pleasure. For some time past, I have been familiar with the objects of and the work done by the International Academy of Indian Culture, and I feel that despite its limited resources, the Academy has been doing valuable work in the field of research. I believe there are some other institutions also carrying on researches in Indology and other branches of ancient thought, but I do not think any one of them has been able to cover such a range of subjects and such a wide field as to include Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Central Asia. As the International Academy of Indian Culture, seeing the importance of this work, it seems essential that the Academy should be encouraged in its work as far as possible. Search for knowledge is as interesting a pursuit as the acquiring of it. The ancient knowledge which recorded history and old monuments unravel to us has its limitations. These sources of history do not carry us very far, and in some cases, they do not tell us enough of the currents and cross currents of popular thought. Luckily, we have another source of having a peep into the dim and forgotten past. That source consists of ancient works and manuscripts found in a variety of languages and scripts. An examination of this data and its proper integration can also add to our knowledge of that period. Not much by way of research has till now been done so far as the countries of the East are concerned, although scholars are of the view that exchange of thought and mutual give and take on the intellectual level has not been less in Asia than in other parts of the world. By not assimilating this knowledge, we are not only keeping our information incomplete but are also unable to assess correctly man's intellectual progress through the ages. That is why proper integration of the bits of knowledge scattered in various lands is not only essential for the lifting of the curtain over patches of ignorance, but also for having an integrated history of the intellectual evolution of man. This is being done now. Para.
Subscribe the channel for regular shorthand and stenography videos.